Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy mini video edition. There's United Airlines 627 from Marrakesh, and right behind it, there it is, the Puerto Rico livery from JetBlue. There you go. Fun fact for those who don't know, that United Airlines registration number is N661UA. That was my very same plane that I took a few years ago from Chicago to come back to Newark. That was my exact plane right there. And then we got United 995 coming in from Brussels as a Dash 10 Dreamliner. And then we got Republic Airways flying off to Jacksonville. Republic Airways 3649. Look at that. Let me zoom out. Like seriously. Friendly reminder. If you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation.
We're gonna eat those.
Bring it back to the Dreamliner that just came in from Brussels. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.